In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TradingView on PC. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have the desktop app installed and ready to use. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox will work fine. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection, since you'll be downloading an installer file. It's also a good idea to close any big downloads or streaming in the background so the process goes smoothly. Now, head to the official TradingView desktop download page by entering tradingview.com/desktop into the address bar. This takes you straight to TradingView's own site, which is important for both security and getting the most up-to-date version. When the page loads, you'll see download options for different operating systems. Choose Download for Windows if you're on a PC. If you're watching this on a different platform, the same page also offers macOS and Linux versions, so just pick the one that matches your system. If you're unsure what you're running, most modern PCs are on Windows 10 or 11, and the Windows option is the right choice. Once you click Download, your browser will begin saving the installer file. You can keep an eye on the progress in your browser's downloads area. When it finishes, open the file. On Windows, you might see a security or user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the installer to make changes. Click Yes to continue, as this is part of a normal installation. Follow the on-screen steps in the installer. The default options are usually perfect for most users. You can accept the license agreement, choose the default install location, and allow it to create a desktop shortcut if you want quick access. The installer will copy the necessary files and set everything up. This typically takes a minute or two, depending on your system. After installation completes, the app may launch automatically. If it doesn't, open it from the desktop shortcut or the Start menu by searching for TradingView. On first launch, you'll be greeted with the Sign In screen. Log in with your TradingView account to sync your charts, layouts, and watch lists. If you use extra security like two-factor authentication, just follow the prompts as you normally would. Once you're signed in, you'll get the full desktop experience, which often feels faster and more stable than running TradingView in a browser, especially if you use multiple monitors or keep several charts open. That's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and opened TradingView on your PC. Enjoy your charts and happy trading.